what role can data play for grid stabilization? And maybe we can throw some light on this because you come from that massive background.
Yeah, sure. So, in terms of data, I think, like right now, I feel we are at a very pivotal stage where we are planning and deploying millions of smart meters in coming years. But when we talk about the data, I think we are actually not just automating the billing, we are setting up the foundation for next generation grid management. So, and in order to do that, I feel we have to architect and integrate each and every system in a way that that we actually shift from reactive grid management to predictive, more autonomous grid operations. And when we there are a lot of benefits there are a lot of ways this data can actually help to actually achieve this. So one thing is the real-time visibility. So now with the help of the smart meter data that we are getting from these millions of meters, I personally call them as sensors because we can look at those meters as the grid sensors, sending us the real-time information about how your grid is actually operating. So now with the help of this, the time series data that we are getting from meters every 15 minutes or 30 minutes, we can do a lot of analysis. We can understand how my entire network is, behaving and operating. For example, today with the help of this data, I can go deeper and can check the voltage profile or the voltage level at my DT level also. And once we have this visibility, we can then plan our operations in a better way. Another important aspect is, I think, the demand forecasting. As the grid is, the grid operations are getting complicated with the penetration of EVs and then renewable energy. I feel it is becoming more and more important that how accurately we can predict our demand. And I think thanks to the data that is coming from these smart meters, and we can easily do the correlation with the real-time weather data, the real-time smart meter data, and then also we can consider the factors of holidays. We can and with the advancement in the technology with the machine learning algorithms available today, I think we can do better. We can train better models for the demand prediction. And I feel once we have those better demand prediction handy with us, then we can run the better demand response programs for peak load management, and then we can also and eventually it will also help planning and purchasing the power more efficiently. So in that way, I think the data can help. There are a lot of other benefits also, but I personally feel we are still scratching the surface on the data. I think so far the companies, the OEMs, we are more focused towards how we can efficiently acquire this data. But I think it's the right time now to think how we can actually leverage this data to create the world's most intelligent grid system in India.
Thank you, Sanjeev. Thank you.